and today I'm going to be showing you how to make birdseed ornaments. The items you will need is birdseed, a measuring cup, gelatin, straws, wax paper, cookie cutters, string, and boiled water. First thing you're going to do is going to take 2 packs of gelatin and mix it in with hot boiling water. That's a 2/3 of a cup in a container. Then you're going to take 2 cups of birdseed and mix it in once you have dissolved all of your gelatin. Then you're going to take 2 cookie sheets and line with the wax paper. You can go ahead and spray Pam or something on it, but you can use just the wax. You'll place your cookie cutters and then take your mixture of birdseed and gelatin and press into the cookie cutters. Once you have filled your cookie cutters, you'll go ahead and take your straws and put a hole through. I cut mine short because they were a little tall for the fridge, but once they're ready, you'll go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. When the hour is up, you'll go ahead and take out your bird seeds and pull them out of your cookie cutters. As you can see, you'll have these really cool shapes, and where your straws were have created holes. Now you're going to take twine. I used some safe bird twine, but went ahead and put them through the holes to create the ornaments. And now they're ready for hanging outside in your yard or anywhere in a tree. Make sure when you hang them that it's in a place where a bird can perch and nibble at your snacks. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and we'll see you next week.